spots around town. Check it out.
Right all around the canvas and all that stuff, but don't jump off.
Cop just told us hit no ledges, no drop, no jumps. We're still gonna send it though. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. Oh, there he is right there. Working on my manuals. Let's see if I can get it across this one. Oh. There we go. You. Do you guys want to train for wheelies? A good way to do it is uphill like this. Oh, my chain came off. Phew. Counts. I don't just bend my disc. There we go. Undertail. Yes, go. All right, so we're about to go to the next spot. But before we do that, I know this isn't urban mountain biking, but there's this really sick clay jump that we want to show you real quick. So we're gonna hit that and then move on to the next spot. What the heck, bro?
Holy cow.
Why'd I land so far?
Landed the flat.
What happened? All right, so what I'm trying to do is whip and knock the top of that off. I just went for it and instead just completely overshot. I'm gonna go ahead and try it again now. I think I got it that time. Yeah. After I overshot it, finally got what I wanted for that. We're gonna throw that in slow-mo, nice and slow. But for now, we're going to the next spot. All right. All right, so we're at the next spot and we got the little kicker wedge set up right here. We're gonna jump from here into this. You!
That was such a high jump.
Whew. I almost ate it on that one. I think my chain fell off again. First try for both of us. Sick. no. No. My bike. Phew. We're getting kicked out.
I don't know if you guys take those to the skate parks or not.
So we're getting kicked out. I knew it was coming. One of these spots, I knew we were gonna get kicked out. But we're gonna go ahead and cap it there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Got some nice urban riding today. Hope you enjoyed it. Got the new GoPro Hero 7. Ooh, the black. I hope you guys like that footage. I'm sure you will. I'm sure it looks crisp. So see you guys next time.